Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Today I want to walk you through a pre-owned Super Air Nautique that we took in. This is a 2011 230 Super Air. So the Super Air is a great boat for a little bit of everything, wakeboarding, skiing, and we can get it to do some surfing as well. So let's take a peek. First of all, obviously the outside. We got the nice dark red, rich red with the black. And then in 2011, they had this nice big graphic on the side of the boat. As you can see, the tower does come with a bimini, has the board racks, has 4 different speakers up on the tower as well. So again, 230, which is 23 feet in length. We got the nice swim platform back here to get you back up onto the boat from the water. And this doesn't have a surf system on it in 2011, but is definitely something that can be surfable. So also underwater lights on this boat. Plenty to see on the interior. Why don't you join me aboard? All right, welcome aboard this 230 Super Air. As we look in the boat, obviously with a surf boat, you've got nice seating, U-shaped seating all the way around. We've got a nice true walkthrough with the sea deck right there. There's some storage underneath there. This boat does have the PCM 409 in it, so plenty of power to get this 230 going. We do have the nice bench seat with the backrest. This is removable as well, so if you didn't want the bench here, it can be removed out and left out. Storage underneath here. This boat is equipped with a table, is equipped with a cover, and then like I mentioned before, it does have a bimini. Those are some of the questions we always get, so those are some of the things that are included with this boat. And then as far as hours go, it's 466 hours on this 2011. We've got the nice screen in here with the controls on the side, and then you do have some gauges on both sides. This does have a start stop with the buttons right here. You got your ballast, fill, and empty. And this boat does have a coding system, so you can code the boat. Doesn't have any keys or fobs or anything like that. So if I don't want somebody to take the boat, I can code it to the number that I want. So pretty easy to use. And as I come up to the bow, I've got room for 2 or 3 people up here. There is a bow filler cushion included as well, so that just sticks right into here to fill it all in. Like I mentioned before, this is a great all-around boat if you're looking for kind of your first surf, wakeboard, ski boat. This will give you a little bit of everything for the family and get you started. So it's a great boat. It is here at our Rogers location. If you'd like to come take a look, you can give us a call to set up an appointment or just stop on by. We'd love to show it to you. As always, please click the like button for these videos and click to subscribe to see all the videos that we're putting out every day.